Hi guys!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, today we're going to what? The Bowser's Castle. Are you excited to open it? Yeah, so let's do it! Open it! Can you open it? What we got here, Akico? Inside, there's stickers. Yeah. There's a manual. And here, parts. Other parts. What's that? Bowser! Wow! Okay. So we need to ask Daddy's help to build this, okay? This is the cage, Aki. Yeah. Sure. I think we need Daddy's help, no? Okay. It says here Super Mario, 2 levels of play. And it's Deluxe Bowser's Castle playset. Whoa. And you need battery. It makes sounds. Yeah. Interactive environment pieces. Authentic in-game sounds. Trap door. Needs trap Bowser. Okay, we will open it. We're now done unpacking all the parts. So we need to what? Assemble them. So we need Daddy's expertise. You need to call Daddy. Can you call Daddy? Yeah. Tell him to build that. Can you build that? Very hard to assemble. Finally, we're finally done assembling the castle, Bowser Castle, and it's very hard. I'll tell you guys, it's very hard. So kids, you need to ask help.
You Daddy to help.
Okay? Yeah, because it's very hard. Okay. Now, can you show us? Show it to us. So how it works. And also you need to put what? AAA batteries.
Yeah, fall down.
It makes sounds. You trap Bowser. You defeated Bowser.
Whoopee.
It's a lava! Akiko, don't go there.
Fireball.
So scary. Congrats, Mario.
Fireball.
We don't have Princess Peach. So you think of another one who to rescue. Which one? The bigger Mario and Luigi won't fit there. Only the small ones.
You can't find.
Yeah, cannot find it. A scary voice. Is it a scary voice, Aki? Hey, I like your pajamas. Huh? Can you show us your pajamas? Is that also Super Mario? Huh?
Yeah, fire plant. Fire plant.
Mario needs that, so you have super. You will become Fireball. You will become Fire Mario, right?
Yeah. Pew pew.
What can you say about your new toy?
Cool.
Is it cool?
Awesome.
Awesome toy. Are you having fun playing?
Trapping the lava.
So we need to say goodbye to your viewers.
Bye bye.
And
And please subscribe my video
hit
and watch my video.
and hit the like
Button.
button.